How do you say firefly?
Vagalume.
How do you say ready?
Pronto.
How do you say who?
Quem?
How do you say east?
Leste.
How do you say today?
Hoje.
How do you say clove?
Cravo.
How do you say words?
Palavras.
How do you say vacation?
Férias.
How do you say iron?
Ferro.
How do you say fight?
Luta.
How do you say throat?
Garganta.
How do you say butter?
Manteiga.
How do you say something?
Algo.
How do you say seafood?
Frutos do mar.
How do you say youngest child?
Caçula.
How do you say humble?
Humilde.
How do you say somebody?
Alguém.
How do you say building?
Prédio.
How do you say hell?
Inferno.
How do you say sticker?
Adesivo.
How do you say umbrella?
Guarda-chuva.
How do you say tapir?
Anta.
How do you say entrepreneur?
Empreendedor.
How do you say death.
Morte.
How do you say glass?
Vidro.
How do you say sea?
Ver.
How do you say secret?
Segredo.
How do you say rule?
Regra.
How do you say zucchini?
Abobrinha.
How do you say 400?
Quatrocentos.